Hi, my name is Amanda McMullen, and for my business topic presentation, I chose to do virtual reality. What exactly is virtual reality? Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Applications of virtual reality can include entertainment as well as educational purposes. Other distinct types of virtual reality style technology include augmented or pigmented reality and mixed reality. Some more information on virtual reality. Virtual reality has been around for a long time. In fact, it has been around since about 1962. Since then, the technology has evolved substantially and is most commonly delivered in the form of a head-mounted display, which has become more popular for computer games than any other application, although it is used in the business world as well. Virtual reality evolving in the business world. As virtual reality hardware continues to evolve and become simpler for the mainstream, these experiences will become more useful in sales engagements. Many businesses and organizations today are using virtual reality as sales and marketing techniques. Virtual reality in the world of business. The attraction and temptation of virtual reality in the enterprise and business and marketing world is becoming increasingly difficult to resist for many marketers and business owners all over the world. Virtual reality business uses. Business owners all over the world have been exploring the business relevance and the potential revenue generating power of the emerging technology, as we're learning about in this presentation, which is called virtual reality. In the following slides, I'm going to talk about why and how the use of virtual reality makes sense for businesses to use. Virtual reality revolutionizes the try before you buy concept. Virtual reality enables businesses to promote products in an entirely new way. Virtual reality enabled a mobile phone, which is attached to deliver the full virtual reality experience. This works to bring their virtual design to life in the real world. The customer orders the products and services they've already experienced in virtual reality. How convenient is that? Promote tourism as a virtual experience. Rather than actually being in a place and traveling there, whether it be across the world or not, nothing could be better than shutting out the real world and fully experiencing that place without even traveling anywhere. That is exactly what virtual reality could do for you. There is a virtual reality experience that promotes tourism. Expand education and training programs. Virtual reality has plenty of immersive learning stimulation which could help students prepare for many job industries. An example of one being, it is used in Houston, where there is a virtual reality experience that helps students to train for air conditioning and heating change. It has been stated that the use of virtual reality environments could impact the technical training fields in the same way as virtual reality has changed training in medical, healthcare, science, and engineering professions. Change in traditional sales strategies. Businesses are looking to virtual reality technologies to attract buyers, improve their time at dealerships, as well as form a stronger emotional attachment to a product as they have helped create. Because when you're in the virtual reality, it's like you're really using the product. So that's going to help you to form a stronger emotional attachment, in my opinion. And this is my works edit, and I hope you enjoyed learning about virtual reality as much as I did, and I hope you found it as interesting as I did. Thank you.